G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Miranda, the netball courts for the Midweek Muscle Car Club event. We're going to film the cars rolling in and maybe do a walk around as well. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Graham, how you going buddy?
Good Georgie, how are you?
Pretty good my dear sir.
That's the way. So
Tell us what's going on today.
Today we've got our Belligara Netball courts event, and you said to me a couple of times, grab that icy cold beer. So George, this one's for you, mate.
You, sir. Take
I have grabbed that icy cold beer. I'm kicking back with a cigar.
That's the way, brother.
And I'm enjoying. So look, this week on Midweek Muscle Car Club, as you can see, we've got one of our calendar event, and the weather has turned ugly for us, Georgie, but I'm here, you're here, and everyone's here.
Still a not bad turnout though.
Still a good turnout. We've got some beautiful cars.
Nice quality cars.
Absolutely. But
always attracted to this show.
Believe it or not, this time around, we've got a different quality of cars. So there's some cars here that we've never seen before, and I just want to thank those guys for coming. And thank your viewers as well, George, because you do an absolute great job, mate.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, man. You guys do a mad job hosting these shows as well and organising them. There's a lot of work that goes into that, so I appreciate that too. And you guys, by providing these shows, give me some footage as well. So
absolutely, George, and we all love you, as you know. And I have grabbed that icy cold beer, as mentioned in every single one of your videos. And we love what you do. Keep up the good work. And you're always welcome to come down to these things. Anytime you come down, it's a good vibe. And as you can see, different cars, and we all learn as we go along in this journey of life, and it's just something that we love doing. It's a passion for all the enthusiasts.
Well, I agree with you 100%, brother.
That's it, mate.
Thank you very much.
Keep up
Thanks
the
for
good
the
work,
invites,
George.
and mate, we'll see you at the next one.
100%, and that's this week on Midweek Muscle Car Club. Mr. GT, look him up, support him. He's a good man.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Looking nifty, yes sir. How are we?
Good. How's the weather?
I hope so. Yes sir. Nice blue Mustang. Convertible, it appears. Or isn't it? No, it's not. My eyes are deceiving me. Don't forget, I am looking through this little rearview mirror, which is not a rearview mirror, it's a viewfinder, I should say. Here comes a wild panel van in the red standout colour, shining like a star. Yes, sir. The Sandman edition, sweet. Nice burble of the exhaust, the V8 legendary sound. So the weather is a little bit how you going, but hopefully the rain will stay away. It's good for me. I'm in the shade under these clouds, not standing in the sun. But hopefully the cars won't be afraid to come out. I believe there is a beast coming. I think it's a Corvette. Yes sirree, in the black. Nice. Got a guy doing some manoeuvres on his bike. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. And the Century. Hello.
Hi.
Check out the Cortifla, ladies and gents, and the 55 Chevy, and another Cortifla, and another one over there. Yes, sirree. Nice. Nice row of beasts. Sounding sweet. Got the Magic Commodore SS, I believe. VF. Oh, and a HSV coming behind it. VF Clubby HSV. And the Toyota Corolla. The RX-7. And there goes Skitties. And the Magic SRT. A lovely Ford Ute. Sounded nice and vicious. Listen to that. Nice. A lovely Tirana in orange. Sounding sick. Okay, what's coming there? Muzzy. Lovely Ford Mustang in the maroon. Yes, sir. Here he comes. The Cadillac 55 model. Sweet. In convertible formation. Got the Kia Stinger GT, looking sick as usual. Very, very dark blue colour, almost looking black. Yeah, that looks sick. Kia did a good job on those. I've said it before, and I stick to my word. Here comes the Holden. Got a nice engine under that. Sounds very cammy. Evo. Mitsubishi Lancer. Check out this lovely Merc. Nice burble of the V8. Let's have a look. 500 SEC, I think it said. Wouldn't it be SEL? Comes another beauty. Chevy Ute. Sweet. Now you must remember, folks, I do bring you the action. I'm not an expert on cars. I do know quite a few of them, but I don't know all of them. That is the fact. Look at the lovely Lancer and the i30 Hyundai. Look at the lovely Lancer and the i30 Hyundai. Got the Jeep going in. Check out the Holden coming through. Bellina, yes sir, VT. Check out the Magic Mini in the red and black. Something beefy's behind me. Oh, the XT. Listen to that. That is one animal, ladies and gents. A camiseta job. Check out the MFP XB coming through. Beautiful, from the Mad Max movie. Sweet, that's an exact copy. Got the Corvette. Mate, Chevy did a mad job on these things. They look sick, just like a supercar. I think they do fall into the supercar category. Nice. Alright, the VK. Yes sir, caught my attention with that little rev. I'm mucking around the young lads, sounding sweet as. Sick. Yes sir. Comes another beast. Catching my attention with its lovely sound. The XY as a Corvette sneaks through. Sweet, in the yellow standout colour. Got a few beasts here. There's 3 beasts. I can see the Commodore behind the XY, which is a VE GTS. And the VR Commodore. Actually, I didn't see the badge. I think it is a V. Could be the VS. I didn't see the badge on the front. The VRs have got a black background, but the VSs are all silver. VE GTS HSV Commodore. He missed a turn. I think he's going to go around and come back. As we get this Commodore VR or VS Ute. Oh, the Cobra! Sick! Catches the turn nicely. That's sick. And the GTS is back. Sounding sweet. XYGT in the red and black. Yes, sir. Toyota Chaser. Comes a Wild XB, orange. And I think there's an XY behind it. Yes, sir, right? Yes, sir. Double yes, sir. Wild. Check out the Muzzy in the blue, fastback. Something's coming. Oh, it's a bike. Check out the Ford Ute. XR6. Full immaculate. for Skylos. Woofy, woofy, woofy. Yes, sirree. Check out the Commodore. $3 on the GT Falcon. That looks sick. Here comes one Walterana. SLR 5000 looking sick. And sounding incredible as well. Check out the VK Commodore SS Group A. A sick beast. Here we go, buddy, that way. The Caprice. Yep, we'll turn back. Full immaculate and luxurious. No mucking around the young lad. Comes a Magic Muzzy in the blue and black, sounding sweet as. And another Hyundai i30. Magic Ute, ladies and gents, the nice Holden, tough as. Surrey. Comes another Wild Holden. Looking nice and tough. Nice V8 block under that. Judging from the sound. Yes, sirree. Lovely Caprice. Nice burble of the V8. Nice and bassy. XE coming through, and I can see next wide back there in the blue. XE sounding sweet. ESP. And the VL Group A behind it. Yes, sirree. No mucking around the young lad. Here comes a Ford XR6, I'd say. Something boost is coming from behind the SS Commodore. Very beefy. Porsche. Not part of the show, but give it a bit of a film. So, ladies and gents, the rain has started to come down. So it appears that no more cars are coming. But this is what has arrived at the moment. So we'll do the snippets because of the music.
Where are we going?
They're everywhere.
So those are the boosts that are already in. But I did say at the start that some cars may hold out because of the rain. But those cars that already came are pretty brave. So the cars that came are pretty brave. Let's have a look at the bottom of this thing. Check out this thing, ladies and gents. On the Mad Max movie. Mad copy of the cars that played in the movie. Sick. And there's no cars over there too. Sweet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. The rains are starting to fall, so we're going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.